Hey folks, welcome back to another video. If you're building client portals or internal landing pages using Google Sites and embedding a standard Google form immediately breaks the entire immersion. You either get the purple header at the top or you have default typography and you cannot customize the look and feel of the form according to your company's page, and it looks like a patched together school project and not a professional intake portal. In today's video, we're going to be solving that issue using Formfacade, where I'll be showing you step by step how to import your Google form, customize the look and feel of it, and embed it perfectly into your Google Sites. So let's get started. Alright, so this is the Google form that we're going to be using for this particular tutorial, that is the AI Architecture Discovery Request Google form, where it asks the users for their full name followed by their work email, the company/organization they work at, the current cloud infrastructure that is present at their company, followed by potential project scope and AI requirements. Now the first step in this process is to make sure that this Google form is published. In case it's not, you can come over to the section here, click on publish, and once it's published, just come in here and copy the responder link. Now traditionally, if you were to embed a Google form into a Google site, you would just head over to the three dots here, click on embed HTML, and adjust the width and height, which you're not too sure of how it's going to be looking on your website. But once you even figure that out, you'll copy the embed HTML code and you'll come over to your website, and this is what it basically looks like. It's out of picture and it looks like a school done project here, and it's not professional, it's not clean, and this is what we're going to be solving with Formfacade. So once you have your Google form published and the responder link copied, head over to formfacade.com/embed Google form in website. And the first thing you want to do here is come in here and paste in the Google form URL. Once you're done, click on embed my form. Formfacade will take a few seconds, understand your form structure and redirect you to its interface. Instantly it takes you to the embed section over here, but in case you'd like to customize the look and feel of your Google form, you can always come over to the preview section here, where you have choices between minimal and colorful, where you can choose your own theme options, set your own primary background colors, set your own background images, and even adjust the typography settings followed by the font size. While you make those changes, they'll be reflected here and you can view them and preview them. But once you're basically done with customizing the look and feel of your Google form, you can just click on apply and those changes will be applied, and you can come over to the share section over here. Now, if you were to share this form to your users, you can directly come and take this link from here. But in this case, we're looking to embed this into my Google Sites website over here. So we're going to come back to the Formfacade interface and I'm going to head over to the embed section over here, where you have a vast variety of different embedding options. We have already covered a couple of them. I'll be leaving those links in the description. You can check that out. But once you're in here, you'd basically want to click on embed in Google Sites and click on next. Instantly, Formfacade will give you the configuration required. All you have to do is just click on this URL, which will automatically get copied to your clipboard. You head over to your Google Sites website. You can either double click here and click on embed, or you can come over to the options available here, click on embed. You have the by URL section. All you have to do is just paste the URL here and click on insert. And in a couple of seconds, the form will be inside of your Google Sites. You can even stretch this out to increase the size of the form. And this is what it basically looks like over here. If I were to preview this particular website, this is what my form basically looks like. I have my AI Solutions Discovery headers, and you can see the form looks like it's custom built and it's not on a no-code platform over here. Now we can come over back to the section here and we're just going to publish these changes to see it in the final published view. And the site has been published. I'm going to click on view, which takes me to the final published website. And this is what it basically looks like. It's clean, it's aesthetic, it matches my company page, and it doesn't look like a school done project, and it's extremely professional. So the Google branding is completely gone. You can even match the typography settings for your portal, and it looks native, it looks custom coded, and it's a massive visual upgrade from what we had previously over here, where the Google form looks something like this. But when we use it with Formfacade, the form looks extremely clean, native and professional. And there you have it. Embedding your Google Forms with Formfacade is the easiest way to make a no-code website even look like a custom build. You can get started with Formfacade with the link in the description, and I'll see you in the next one.